There is a bottle sitting on a shelf in every authorized Toyota and Honda service center in Japan right now. It costs $2. It has been used by Japanese taxi fleet mechanics since the late 1960s, and it solves the single most expensive silent problem in any aging engine: oil consumption, permanently, without a rebuild, without a new engine, without a single dollar spent at a dealership. Not a synthetic additive, not a thickener, not the $40 stop smoke bottle at your local auto parts store that temporarily masks the symptom, while the underlying problem continues destroying your engine quietly, invisibly, expensively. $2, one application. And the reason a Tokyo taxi driver can run the same 2.0-liter engine for 400,000 miles without ever adding a drop of oil between changes, while your identical engine is drinking a quart every 800 miles, is sitting in that bottle. Japanese mechanics call it Gomu Fukatsu Zai, rubber revival compound. The active ingredient is glycerin-based ester oil derived from castor. It has been commercially available in Japan since 1962. It costs almost nothing to produce because it requires no synthetic chemistry, no petroleum refining, no proprietary manufacturing process. It is pressed from a plant, and it has never appeared in a single Western automotive service manual because the companies writing those manuals have no interest in teaching a procedure that eliminates one of their highest margin diagnostic categories. An engine that burns oil is not a mystery. It is a worn seal. Specifically, it is valve stem seals and piston ring seals that have hardened, shrunk, and cracked after years of heat cycling. Every time your engine reaches operating temperature and cools again, those seals expand and contract. Over 100,000 miles, that cycling hardens the rubber compounds. The seals lose their ability to return to original shape. Gaps form, oil passes through, your engine starts consuming it. The Western solution is surgical. Replace the valve stem seals. $600 to $1,200 in labor alone. Rebuild the top end. In severe cases, replace the engine entirely. The revenue from that diagnosis, that repair estimate, that parts order, flows directly from the fact that nobody told you the seals could be restored before they failed catastrophically. Castor-based ester oil does something that no petroleum product can replicate. It penetrates hardened rubber at the molecular level and restores plasticizer content. The same compounds that made the seal flexible when it was new, the compounds that heat cycling slowly strips away over years of operation, get replaced. The seal swells back toward its original dimensions. The gaps close. The oil stays where it belongs. This is not a theory. It is documented in Japanese industrial standard testing conducted by the Japan Lubricating Oil Society in 1978. Rubber seal specimens hardened to simulate 100,000 miles of heat cycling showed 71% restoration of original flexibility after 48 hours of exposure to castor ester compounds at operating temperature. The study was published, it was translated, and it was quietly ignored by every major Western automotive additive manufacturer because a $2 compound that restores seals is a direct competitor to a $1,200 valve stem seal replacement job. To understand how deeply this knowledge runs in Japanese automotive culture, you need to understand what a Tokyo taxi engine actually does for a living. A Tokyo taxi operates in stop-and-go traffic for 18 to 22 hours a day. It idles constantly. It heat cycles 40 to 60 times per shift. It accumulates 80,000 to 100,000 kilometers per year, under conditions that would reduce a Western city fleet engine to a smoking oil burner within 4 years. Japanese taxi fleet mechanics developed their seal maintenance protocol in direct response to those conditions. They had no choice. Engine replacement was too expensive. Rebuild intervals were too frequent. They needed a preventive solution, and they found one in a compound that Japanese industrial chemists had been using to preserve hydraulic seals in factory machinery since the 1950s. By 1971, castor ester seal treatment was standard procedure in authorized taxi fleet service centers across Tokyo, Osaka, and Nagoya. It was applied at every 40,000 kilometer interval as a preventive measure, before any oil consumption was detected, before any seal showed measurable failure. The mechanics were not treating a problem, they were preventing one from ever developing. That distinction matters more than anything else in this video. Western automotive culture is reactive. You wait for the symptom, diagnose the cause, repair the damage. Japanese fleet culture is preventive. You address the mechanism of failure before the failure occurs. The castor ester treatment is not a repair, it is maintenance. And the difference between those two words is the difference between a $2 application every 40,000 miles and a $1,200 valve job at 90,000. Here is exactly what to do. Purchase food-grade or technical-grade castor oil, not castor ester blend, not castor oil mixed with mineral carriers, pure castor oil. It is available at any health food store, any pharmacy, any online bulk supplier. A 16-ounce bottle costs between $2 and $5 and contains enough material for 6 to 8 complete engine treatments. Your engine must be at full operating temperature. Minimum 15 minutes of running time. The heat serves two purposes. It thins the castor ester sufficiently for circulation through the oiling system, and it opens the microscopic channels in hardened rubber seals that allow the compound to penetrate at the molecular level. A cold application circulates through the engine, but achieves only surface contact. Heat is not optional. It is the mechanism. Measure your dose by engine displacement. For any four-cylinder engine up to 2.0 liters, use 15 milliliters. For engines between 2.0 and 3.5 liters, use 22 milliliters. For any V6 or V8 above 3.5 liters, use 30 milliliters. These are not approximations. They are the dosing ratios used in the original Japanese fleet protocol, scaled to ensure adequate circulation without affecting oil viscosity beyond the tolerance range of the engine management system. With the engine idling, remove the oil filler cap. Using a small funnel, pour the measured castor oil directly into the filler neck. Replace the cap immediately. Allow the engine to idle for 25 minutes without driving. During this period, the castor ester circulates through every lubricated surface in the engine. It reaches valve stem seals through the oil mist that naturally coats the upper valve train. It reaches piston ring seals through the oil film on cylinder walls. Everywhere your engine oil goes, the castor ester follows. Drive normally for the next 300 miles. The treatment continues working as the engine cycles through operating temperature repeatedly. Seal restoration is not instantaneous. It is a process of gradual plasticizer replacement that accelerates with heat cycling. By 300 miles, the measurable improvement in seal flexibility is complete. If your engine is already consuming oil, you will notice the reduction within the first 100 miles. Not because the treatment has masked the symptom, because it has addressed the cause. Seals that were passing oil because they had hardened and shrunk are no longer the same hardness or the same size. The gap that oil was passing through has physically closed. A fleet operator running 18 Nissan taxis out of Yokohama documented his results after switching his entire operation to the castor ester protocol in 2011. His baseline before treatment, average oil consumption across the fleet, was 0.4 liters per 1,000 kilometers, industry standard for high mileage engines in continuous commercial operation. After implementing the 40,000 kilometer castor ester treatment, average oil consumption across the fleet dropped to 0.06 liters per 1,000 kilometers within 2 treatment cycles, an 85% reduction, maintained consistently across all 18 vehicles for the next 6 years of documented operation. His oldest active vehicle at the time of his last documented record, a 2007 Nissan Crew with the VQ25DE engine, had logged 610,000 kilometers. Original seals, 0 rebuild, oil consumption within factory specification. The same compound, the same protocol, $2 worth of castor oil every 40,000 kilometers. Now understand what is on the other side of that $2. The American automotive repair industry generates approximately $14 billion annually from oil consumption-related diagnoses and repairs. Valve stem seal replacements, piston ring inspections, top-end rebuilds, engine replacements in cases where consumption was allowed to continue until the low oil level caused catastrophic bearing failure. Every one of those jobs traces back to the same root cause, hardened seals, and every one of them could have been prevented by a protocol that costs $2 and takes 25 minutes. Castor oil cannot be patented. It is a natural agricultural product. No corporation can build a franchise service around it. No parts retailer can mark it up to $35 and put it in a branded bottle with a marketing campaign. Or rather, they can, and they have. Pull up the safety data sheet on any premium seal conditioner at your local auto parts store. The active ingredient, buried in the chemical composition section, is almost always castor-based ester oil at concentrations between 3% and 8%. They took $2 worth of agricultural product, diluted it, packaged it, and sell it back to you for $22 to $38 per bottle. The molecule has not changed. The plant has not changed. The mechanism of action is identical to what Japanese taxi mechanics have been using since 1968. Only the label is different. Only the price is different. You now know what the label is hiding. Swedish engineers preserved hydraulic seals in Volvo factory presses with castor compounds in 1961. NASA used castor-based ester oil in spacecraft sealing systems through the 1970s because it was the only lubricant that maintained seal integrity across the full temperature range from Arctic cold to friction heat. Japanese fleet mechanics applied that same chemistry to taxi engines in 1968 and kept those engines alive for 40 years. Nobody connected those data points for you. Not your dealership, not your owner's manual, not the auto parts retailer who sold you the $38 bottle with 4% of the active ingredient inside. The compound is castor oil, pure, food grade, unblended. It costs $2, it restores rubber seals at the molecular level, it prevents oil consumption before it starts and reverses it after it has begun. And the only reason you did not know its name until today is that knowing it costs the wrong people exactly the kind of money they have built their entire service model around collecting from you. If this video opens something for you, subscribe and share it right now. Every share puts a crack in the wall they spent decades building around knowledge that was never theirs to hide. Every subscription keeps this channel pulling from the vaults they assumed were permanently sealed. The next vault opens soon, and what is inside involves the Japanese transmission flush sequence that authorized mechanics perform in a specific order that Western dealerships have reversed, deliberately, because the correct sequence extends transmission life by 150,000 miles, and the incorrect one creates the exact failure that sends you back to the service bay on schedule. If you have any automatic transmission built after 2003, you need to see that before your next fluid change.